Hello Techies, welcome to Love with Coding. Improve your programming skill from zero to hero with Divix. So the next concept is a string operators. So the first operator is a concatenation. The symbol used for the concatenation, it is nothing but your plus sign, addition operator. Concatenation operator used to combine two or more strings. Let's see the example for the concatenation operator. So I am going to give, so there is a welcome. Next one is a concatenation operator is nothing but there is a plus. Next I am going to give there is a 2. So next one is your concatenation operator. Next I am going to give there is a Python program. So if you are pressing the enter key means the particular statement will be executed. So it will give the result as a welcome to Python program. So here you can look at the example. After the welcome also I am providing the space. To also I am providing the space. Without space you are giving means the output also displayed without space. The next operator is a replication operator. The symbol used for the replication operator is nothing but the multiplication sign. The replication operator replicates the given string the specified number of times. It requires the two operand. One is a string, another operand must be the integer. Let's see the example for your replication operator. So I am going to give the string. The string is a Python. So next I am going to give you a replication operator. It is a multiplication sign. So second operator always it is a integer. So I am going to give us a 3. So you can look at the example. The given string Python, it is replicated for the 3 times. You can give in a reverse order also. So 3 into there is a Python. So if you are going to give like this means, so the Python given word it will replicate it for the 3 times. So here there is no space. So the output also displayed without space. So instead of the integer, if you are going to give some other data type, for example floating point number I am going to give. So it will give the error message. Okay, type error. Cannot multiply the sequence by non-int of the type float, because the second operand of your replicated operator it is always integer. The next one is your membership operator. It is a in and not in. So this operator used to check the character or string in the sequence or not in the sequence. It will always return the value in the form of true or false only. Let's see the example for your membership operator. So I am going to give there is a py in, either it is present in the sequence Python. So you know very well py it is present in the Python. So it will give the result as a true. So next I am going to give there is a yp, it is present in the word Python, that is a given string. So yp it is not present in the Python. Py it is present, there is no yp. So it will give the result as a false. The next one is your comparison operator. So the comparison operators are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to and equal to. These comparison operator it is also called as a relational operator. This operator used to compare the given string based on the ordinal value. So what is a ordinal value means it is a ASCII value of the particular character. So before I am explaining the comparison operator, first I will explain the ordinal function. So this function used to identify the ordinal value of the given character. It is only used for character, not for the string. So what is a function name means ordinal, ORD. There is a parenthesis mean it is called as a function. So inside the parenthesis you want to pass the character. So I am going to give there is a capital A. So what is the ordinal value of the capital A means there is a 65. So what is the ordinal value of your small a? What is the ordinal value of the small a means it will give us a 97. So even you can use for the special character also. So what is the ordinal value for the white space means it is a 32. So the ordinal function only work for the character. For example, I am going to give ordinal. Next I am going to give there is a ABC. So it is a collection of characters. So collection of character means it is a string. So ordinal function only used for the character. If you are going to give the string means it will give the error message. Look at the error message, type error. ordinal expected character, only one character, but string of the length is 3 found. So it will give the error message. I hope so you are clear with the ordinal function. Let's see the example for a comparison operator. So a comma b and c, it is a string. It is a greater than or of capital A, B and C. So you know very well what is a capital small a ordinal value, it is a 97. What is the ordinal value for capital A? It is a 65. So 97, it is greater than 65. So it is true. Same way, small a it is a 97 means small b it is a 98. So 98 is greater than 66. Same way C, it is a 97, 98, 99. So 99 is greater than 67. So it is a true or false. So small ABC, it is greater than capital ABC. So it will give the result as a true. Let's see the another example. Small ABC, it is not equal to capital AB. So what is a small a ordinal value? It is a 97. 97, it is not equal to your 65. Same way B. What is a B value? There is a 98. So 98, it is not equal to 66. But there is no character to compare with the third character. So what is a third character? It is a C. So what is a C value? It is a 97, 98, 99. So 99, it is not equal to a none. None means it is an absence of value. So it is true only. ABC, it is not equal to capital AB. So it will give the result as a true. The next concept is a string slices. So what is string slices means? It is used to take or cut the substring from the given string. So how you going to cut the substring from the whole string means using the index value of the string. So what is the syntax of the string slicing means? First the variable name. So we are going to work with the index value. So whenever you are working with the index value, we want to use a square bracket. So it is actually requires the 3 parameter. First parameter is a start, second parameter is a stop, third parameter is a step value. All the 3 parameter, it is separated by colon sign. So there is a start. So what is a default start value means? It is a 0. If the start value it is not specified means it defaultly considers as 0. Your start value is included. So next one is a default stop value is a length of the string. For example, the length of the string is a 12 means it will take up to the 11 because your stop value is a excluded. So next one is a step value. So the step value you can specify both positive number and negative number. If it is a positive number means it is a forward one. It is a negative number means it is a backward one. So backward one is nothing but we are reversing the string. So the default step value is a +1. Let's consider this example. In variable s, I am storing the string as a Python is an easy program. So you know very well what is a string. String is a collection of character enclosed within a quotes. Each character is stored in a separate memory location. There are 2 types of indexing. One is a forward indexing, another one is a backward indexing. So what is a string slicing means? From the full given string, I need only the part of the string alone. For example, what is my full string in this example? Python is an easy program. So from the full string I need only the easy program alone. So what is the starting location? There is a 13. So the start value is a 13. Next is a stop value. So the stop value is a 24. But stop value it is a excluded one. So if you are giving 24 means it will take up to the 23. So only I am giving as a 25. So if I give the stop value as a 25 means it will take up to the 24. So what is a third parameter? It is a step value. So it is a positive number means it is a forward one. So it want to move by 1 character after 1 character. Let's see the example. So S is equal to Python is an easy program. Now I am going to explain the string slicing. So what is a variable name? There is a S. String slicing is done by the help of the index value. So index value means I want to use a square bracket. Actually string slicing requires the 3 parameter. First one is a start, next one is a stop, next one is a step value. So already I explained. So I am going to give there is a 13. colon, there is a 25, next to colon, there is a 1. So the E it is stored in the memory location of the 13. So the index value of E is a 13. The index value of M is a 24, not 25, because top value is a excluder. So if I specify 25 means it will take up to the 24. So it is a forward indexing. So 1 by 1 character it is want to move. So the step value is a 1. So now you can see from the Python is an easy program. I am going to take only the easy program alone. Press the enter key. So from the full string it will cut only the substring alone. Now look at the second example. Yes, so the string is variable name is a yes. So the start value is a 13. So I want to start from the 13. 13 is nothing but I am storing as a E. So what is my stop value? There is a 25, but 25 means I will take up to the 24. So what is stored in a 24M? So what is your step value? There is a 2. So I want to move 2 by 2 characters. So first it will print the E. Next there is a 1 2, so it will print the S. Next to 1 2, so it will print the space. Next to 1 2, so it will print the R. So 1 2, so it will print the G. Next there is a 1 2, so it will print the A. Next there is a 1, there is a 2. So there is no second character. It is the end of the string. Now see the example. So the start value is a 13. Stop value is a 25, but here the step value is a 1, here the step value is a 2. So it will move 2 characters. So you can see the output. So first it will print the E. So next to 1 2, so it is printing the S. Next to 1 2, so there is a space. Next to there is a 1 2, so there is a R. Next to 1 2, so there is a G. Next to 1 2, so there is a E. So 1 2, it is the end of the string. So it is stopping up to the A. Now look at the third example. There is a 25. So my start value is a 25. So here there is no 25. So it will start from the 24 itself. Next there is a 12. My stop value is a 12. So my stop value is a 12 means it will done up to the 13 only. So 24 to 13. Why I am taking in a reverse order means because it is a -1. So my step value it is a negative number means it will do the backward one. So backward it is nothing but there is a reversing the string. Either you can do the forward indexing or even the backward indexing. So 25, so 25 means there is no, so M is stored in a 24, so up to the 12, so 12 is a space, so up to the 13 it will stop. Why it is coming from the reverse order means because step value it is given as a -1. So now look at the example. So first one is a M. So there is a M is printed here. So there is a next there is a. So it is coming from MA RG ORP, next space YSAE. So it is coming in the reverse order. Why it is coming in the reverse order means because the step value here specified as a -1. The next example, it is a very simple and easy one. Any one of the start or stop value, it is going out of the index range means it will display the full string. You can see the start value is a 0, the stop value is a 28. So it is a excluder, so it will take up to 27. But you can see we have only the number of string is up to 24 only. So one index it is going out of the range. Any one of the index it is going out of the range means it will display the full string. Let's see the example. So in this example, your stop value it is going out of the range, so it will display the full string. So in this example 5, both the index it is going out of the range. The start value it is a 28, we don't have index value 28. The stop value is a 30, we don't have 30 also. So both the range it is out of the range means it will display the empty string. Let's see the example for the empty string. So S is a variable name. So 28, there is no index is called as a 28. Next there is a 30. So we don't have 30 also. Next I am not going to specify the step value. So it is going to consider the default step value. So it is displaying as a empty string. So it is enclosed within a quote. So it is called as a string. Nothing is inside. So it is called as a empty string. The last example, it is a very important and efficient method easily to reverse the string, because here there is no stop value it is specified, no start value it is specified. So what is a default start value? It is a 0. What is a default stop value means? It is a length of the string. So whenever there is a negative in the step value, it will denote the backward indexing. So it is easy to reverse the string. Let's see the example. This is the easiest way to reverse the given string. So there is no stop value, no start value. So there is a -1 means there is a backward indexing. So what is a given string? It is reversed. Learn by taking the quiz. This quiz will give you the signal of how much you know or don't know about Python. This quiz link is provided in the description box.